Aditya Popatia from Robofun Lab Porbandar. My project name is Pitboard using ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor detects any object and measures the distance between the sensor and object. I have used one ultrasonic sensor, one brick and two large motors. This pitboard will run on the table and the edge, and it will not fall from the edge. I have programmed it as when it comes near to the edge, this ultrasonic sensor will detect the ground, and then if it measures the distance more than 5 cm, it will stop and come back, and then it will take a turn and it will go on the other 3 edges. Let's see.